Hey everybody, Mr. Flanders here, and we are looking at math right now. So if you would please, for day one, please get out the worksheet that says 6A at the top. We're going to be working with this one and 6B, alright? Exciting stuff. I'll see you in just a second, alright? Alright guys and gals, let's go ahead and look at our first math sheet. It should say Class Fact Practice 6A. We're going to go ahead and start by writing our name. My name is Mr. Flanders, and our date means what day it is. And we're going to write out the whole date in two ways. So we're going to start with 8/24/20. So that stands for 8/24/20 stands for August 24th, 2020. So the 8 is for the 8th month, which is August. The 24 is the day, and the 20 is for the year 2020. Another way we could write this, and I'm going to split this up, is we could write a Monday, August 24th, 2020. Okay? So I've written the day, the month, the actual date, and then the year. Alright? We're going to be writing that. We're going to be using both ways to write the date in class. So I want you guys to get used to it while you're at home. Okay? We can either write it using digits. Digits are numbers. Or we can write it using words and digits. Okay? Okay. Go ahead and take a second and finish that up. There is no rush. If you need to pause the video so you can see the words and the numbers, please feel free to pause. Okay? Alright. Go ahead and move this up though. And we're going to look at our math problems. We have 25 math problems on this worksheet, okay? And I'm going to help you with a few of them. You know what? I'll help you with all of them actually on this worksheet. And then the second worksheet, which is the back side of this one, that's the B side, you're going to work on your own, okay? Now, just for mom and dad or grandma and grandpa, whoever's listening, and they might not know what I mean by B side, move this down real quick. You'll notice that at the top of our page it says Class Fact Practice. It says 6A. Well, 6A is usually something we would do in the classroom. Any A worksheet is in the classroom, usually. There are some exceptions. And then the B side is usually homework. And it would say fact homework or guided homework or something of that nature. So B side is usually for you guys to do at home. A side is usually for in class. Alright? So we're going to try to keep that up with our packets here in the classroom with our recorded lessons. Alright, we're going to move on though. We're going to move up here to our first math problem. It is the most famous math problem ever. And that problem is 2 plus 2. Oh my goodness. Alright, before we start yelling out the answer, I want to remind my friends of a couple things. First off, anytime you hear plus, or anytime you see this sign, it always means that we are going to add. That means there's going to be more of something. Okay? Okay. So, if we have 2, and we add 2, what is the answer, everybody? 4 is the correct answer. Now let's say though you didn't know that that was 4, and that's okay. But there's a couple of easy ways we could figure this out. Okay? So first off, you could take 2 and hold up 2 fingers. 1, 2. Okay? So I've got 2 fingers there. 1, 2, and then I could hold up 2 more. Okay? And then I could count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. We wrote it right there. The next question, 6 plus 6. Now I could easily hold up 6 fingers for this one, but do I have an extra 6 fingers to hold up? Well, no. So, if we are working with two numbers that are the same, we have a couple of options. Alright? One thing that you could do is you could draw out tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we could just count those tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we now know by counting our tally marks that 6 plus 6 is 12. Another way we could look at this is by using our fingers. Okay? And what I could do is I could hold up my 6 fingers, like we were talking about, and I could count them twice, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? I know I got a little blur there, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, if we're dealing with a number that is the same, we can use our fingers to count that number twice. Okay? So if you don't like the tally marks though, and you don't want to use your fingers, but you have one of the number lines that I gave you in this packet, what you could do is look at the number 6 on the number line and then move over that way 6 spots. So we're at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show you that one more time. If we're dealing with a number that is 6 plus 6, and you have a number line in front of you, you're going to start at that first number. So the first number is 6. And then you're going to move over to the right, 6 spots. So we're at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that puts us at what number? Puts us at number 12. That is correct. And you can see we've already got that written down. Alright, we're going to get the number line out of here for now. Thank you, Mr. Number Line. You're welcome. Creepy. Okay. Let's look at the next problem. 1 plus 1. Oh my goodness. Look at it. They already look like tally marks. We could just count those. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. 1 plus 1 is what, everybody? It's 2. I just said it. No need to make tally marks. They already look like tally marks. If you need to, you can hold up one finger on this hand and one finger on this hand. 1, 2. Boom. Good work. Alright. Next one. 4 plus 4. Well, 4 plus 4 is what, everybody? We can do this a couple of different ways. I think right now, though, I'm going to do this using the tally marks. So if I've got 4 here, I'm going to make 4 tally marks next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm just going to count the tally marks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that 4 plus 4 is what, everybody? 8. Fantastic work, my friends. Let's look. Ooh, dear. This one is a bit of a hard one. 9 plus 9. Now, we could do this a couple of different ways. We could do tally marks, sure, but we'd probably be putting a lot of tally marks on our paper. So what I want to do is I'm going to pull out our number line again. Remember, yours might look a little bit different than mine, and that's okay. We're going to look at the first number that is in our math problem, though, and that is the number 9. I'm going to find it on the number line. So we've got 9, 9, and we're just going to move over 9 spots. So we're at 9. We need to move over 9 spots. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's 9 plus 9, everybody? What number did we land on? 18. That is correct. 18. Good work, my friends. Good work. And while I've got the number line out right now, we're going to actually use it for the next problem. So let's look at 7 plus 7. Well, 7 plus 7, we can do this a couple different ways. I said, though, we're going to use the number line. So let's go ahead and look for number 7 on our number line. So we're at 7 here. It's the first number in our problem. And what we're going to do is we're going to move over 7 spots. Here we go. So we're at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7 is, what number did we land on? 14. So we started at 7, we added 7, we got all the way to 14. Oh my goodness, the camera blurred. Sometimes there we go, it worked. I unblurred the camera. You're welcome. Alright. So, a couple different ways we can use the number line, though. A couple different ways we use the fingers and the tally marks and great stuff like that. But there's a problem here. There's a problem here that we need to figure out. Let's look at this next one real quick. 0 plus 0. What is 0 plus 0? Buddy, do you know? Can you add 0 to something? Well, no, you can't, actually. If you have 0 and you try to add 0, the answer is 0. 0 basically means, well, you got nothing. Okay, so if you have $0, can you go buy, Minecraft money? No, you can't go buy Minecraft money. You've got $0. Okay, you're gonna have 0 Minecraft money. That's not gonna get you anything. So you can't add 0 to anything. All right, remember that for the future because it is going to come up a lot. Okay. Okay. 0 plus 0 equals 0. All right. Let's go ahead and look at 8 plus 8. All right, 2 pretty big numbers. They are the same numbers. What I want to do here is instead of doing 8 tally marks here and 8 tally marks here, I'm only going to make the 8 tally marks here, and we're going to count them 2 times because they are the same number. Okay, so 8 plus 8. We're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We made 8 tally marks. So we know we've got 8 here, and we're going to count them again to see how many 8 plus 8 is. So for example, if I want to know that I have 8, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to keep counting again. So we're at 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. All right? See, that's not so hard. And that's just one way you can do it. If you want to do 8 tally marks up here and then 8 tally marks down here, that is completely fine. I'm not going to yell at you. It's your life. You live it the way you want to live it, okay? All right then, my friends. Here we go. Let's look at the next problem. 5 plus 5. Oh my goodness. 5 plus 5 is probably about as popular as 2 plus 2. It's not quite as popular, but it's pretty popular. It's almost there. All right, so with that being said, everybody, what is 5 plus 5? Okay, I heard somebody say 12. Somebody said 7. Oh, Oh, somebody said 10. All right. Well, let's take a look. Check this out, guys. On this hand, boom, 5 fingers. So let's go ahead and count this just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, 5 fingers. How many fingers over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Boom, baby. Fantastic work. All right. Next one. 3 plus 3. I'm going to make tally marks for this one, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is 3 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Good work. All right, now I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. We've done problems that are repeats. That means we've already done them before, so we already know the answers. For example, 1 plus 1. Well, we know what 1 plus 1 is. First off, all we have to do is count the tally marks. 1, 2. And we also did it up here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's one thing I want you guys to look at when we start doing these worksheets together, is how many of these problems are the same. Okay? I'm going to show you another one just to prove to you that they're the same. 9 plus 9. We already did that one. 9 plus 9 is the same as up here. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Okay? 5 plus 5. Oh my goodness, guys. We just did that one. We just did that one. So what is 5 plus 5? It is 10. And here comes the most popular question. 2 plus 2. What's 2 plus 2, everybody? 4 is the correct answer. And just in case you forgot, boom, it's right up there. Now, let's look at 8 plus 8. Now, we've already done this one. I told you, all of these problems down here now, we've already done. But I want to show you guys a different way to do 8 plus 8. Okay? And for this one, I'm going to pull out the number line. Okay? So, 8 plus 8. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the number 8 on the number line. There it is. And then I'm going to add or move over to the right 8 spots. Here we go. So we're at 8. We're going to add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 is correct. And just in case you forgot, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Boom. We've got the answer over here as well. All right? See, we're cruising now, guys. We are cruising. All right. 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6? Well, we did tally marks for that one the last time. I think we should do tally marks again. We're going to make 6 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 plus 6. Let's just count the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. And I know that because I can look back up here and see 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right, ladies and gents. 3 plus 3. If I got 3 fingers and I add 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. All right. 0 plus 0. What is 0 plus 0? Well, 0 plus 0 is nothing, because we can't add 0. So the answer is, boom, 0. All right. 7 plus 7. Let's use our number line for this one. Okay? Here we go. So 7 plus 7. Let's find the number 7. And we're going to move over 7 spots. So we're at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. All right. While we're here, we've got our number line. Let's look at 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4. So let's go to 4, and we're going to move over 4 spots. So we're at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Good work. Boom. Last row, ladies and gentlemen. Last row. All right. 9 plus 9. Well, the first time we did this, we used the number line. The second time we did this, we just went back and looked at our answer. However, for this one, this time, I'd say let's make tally marks. So we're going to do 9 plus 9. We're going to do 9 tally marks 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's go ahead and count them. So we're at 9 here. We don't need to count all that. We just know that's 9. We're going to start counting from 9. So we're at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Good work. All right, we're almost done, guys. Home stretch. 5 plus 5 is 10. We know that because we have 10 fingers. 8 plus 8, what is that, ladies and gentlemen? Do we remember? If we don't, let's go ahead and look at the number line real quick. Okay, we're going to put it right here. We're going to look at 8. 8 plus 8. So we're at 8. We're going to add 8. We're going to go to the right. 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Well, I've got the number line out. We're going to look at 6 plus 6. So we're going to look for the number 6 on the number line. And we're going to go right 6 times. Here we go. So we're at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, our last one. 7 plus 7. Okay? We've done this one on the paper multiple times. We know what this one is, but I'm going to remind you just to be on the safe side. Well, I've still got the number line out. We're going to do 7 plus 7. We're going to find the number 7 on the number line, and we're going to go to the right 7 places. Here we go. So we're at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. All right. Wow. That was a doozy, ladies and gentlemen. We just did 25 math questions. Fantastic. Now, my friends, I'm going to leave you, but I would like to see you do B-side on your own. Okay? I know there is a lot of math here, but you can use the A side as a way to check your work. You can also ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, or whoever's at home with you to look over your work as well. But I would like to see you guys trying to use some of the skills that I just told you about, like tally marks, or using your fingers, or even using the number line that I gave you guys. Okay? I'm going to go for now, though. I'm going to let you guys get started on the second sheet. It was a lot of fun today doing our math, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Stay strong, stay safe, stay positive.